Test. That's not the right scene. This one? This one? Nope. This one. Yeah. One sec. Oh, it's like I gotta go. Oh, yeah. My legs. Oh, all right. What's up, Wes? How you doing? Today I kind of want to mostly work on the movement side of the game, and then push an update so that I can get some feedback on that. This is a sponsored stream by my own Discord server, so please go down and join it. It's for the Tales of Oblivion server, so have fun. Make sure to go subscribe to my channel for more updates, and also go join the Discord down below. Let me kind of just pause the music. And now I can't close Spotify. Oh, there we go. Okay. I want to start work on player movement. Kind of try and brush that out a bit. Look, Dave. What? That's a new one. Scenes. There we go. Also, welcome, Wes. How you doing? Also, I'll be in the Lounge VC in the Tales of Oblivion Discord server as well. So make sure to come join. General. Hey, what's up, Doug?
Stop.
You are on live stream, just to let you know.
I know.
Okay, cool.
I'm well aware.
Yep, cool. Just making sure.
I'm gonna watch the, me and my parents are gonna be watching, the new Doctor Strange movie in a couple hours.
Oh, dude, I saw it already. It was good.
Yeah.
Definitely worth the watch. Save. Definitely worth the watch. It is super freaking good.
I have not been on the streams in a while, so, how is the game going?
It's going okay. I restarted everything because of organization wise.
Yeah.
So everything's a lot more more organized now, which is very nice.
Yeah. Not super
Hey,
great
what's
when
up?
you have an unorganized game.
Oh no, not at all. It sucks. Yeah, so right now I just kind of want to get player movement honestly down a bit before I go too crazy into how everything looks. I want to get player movement down. Some of the ideas that I had was the bash mechanic from Ori. I thought that would be a pretty cool unique mechanic almost. I think that would be interesting. My cube is not at 0, 0.
So, I know it's been a while since I've seen the streams, of course, but, what's really the theme of the game?
So the whole entire theme of the game is it's the dream world, or a fantasy or ethereal type place, if that makes sense. Not sure if that does, but the whole theme of the game is that you're trapped in this dream-like state, or this dream-like world almost, and you gotta try and learn how to survive throughout the entire world. And there's a big twist at the end, but I'm obviously not gonna say it for spoiler reasons.
Yeah.
Um,
Makes sense. I would not want to spoil.
Yeah.
I would not want to spoil, the big secret either.
Oh yeah. So that's the idea I have right now. Let's go to orthographic size. But I have my player scripts down. I do want to make them smaller though. They're not the greatest greatest built coded designs. I got to go through it and reorganize code cuz it's kind of messy.
So, I don't know whether this conflicts with the ideas of the game, but if this is like a dream world, what if there was some kind of way for you to go between a kind of dream realm where everything, where you can like the friendly side of things. But if you really want to progress in the game, you have to go to some kind of nightmare realm.
That would be interesting. Oh, there you go. I was about to say, didn't want to open. Is this the dev for Tales of Oblivion? Yes, this is the dev stream for Tales of Oblivion. You would be correct.
Yeah, I think some kind of double-sided gameplay style would be kind of nice. I've seen that.
Maybe.
Not many games, but something. Maybe it could be something interesting.
Yeah, for some reason, my Tales of Oblivion. Oh, it's because I opened it with another one. Hey, my handsome man. What's up, Mako? Machi? I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. For some reason, though, I can't open my scripts. Okay, hold on. We gotta fix this because I don't use C#. I mean, I don't use Visual Studios for scripting. Project settings. Nope, package rate. Fuck, I keep forgetting where this is. Wait, yeah, Fishy, just go look at the title of the stream or the description. Settings, is it in here? No. I don't know how to use Plastic SRM. I really want to know how to use it, but I do not know how. Editor. Is that it? No.
Oh yeah, so I play a
Mochi.
game called Star Citizen, which I think maybe a couple people from your chat have heard of it, but
I think a couple of them have. I know it's a popular game. I've seen it in the past. Mochi.
yeah.
Okay.
But I've seen a lot of low flying in ships, and some of the things that they do are absolutely insane.
Mm-hmm.
Like just hovering a couple feet off the ground and going at like 100
You need
miles
preference
per
menu.
hour.
Preference menu. Okay. And Fishy, to answer your question, yes, I am still making it. It's just I've had a lot of testing, and this is only really the free time that I have had at the moment, and I want to work on this for a bit. Ah, there we go. There we go. I use Atom IDE. It's a nice IDE. Also, don't forget, please go down and look at the description because the stream is sponsored by my own Discord channel that I made for this server. So, yippee. Go join it. It's fun. Yeah. Go join now. Or something. I don't know. There we go. That's the correct IDE now. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? Okay. That's not good. I can't tell if it's just like loading or what it's trying to do here. Oh, there we go. Okay, don't need you. I just want to edit the player controller, but there seems to be no scripts in the player controller. And that's not good.
Yeah, that's really not good.
No, not at all. I heard if you wanted to make an infinite amount of sushi, you can mix some ammonia bleach with some extra flavor. You could guess. What? What is wrong with you, chat? Okay, we're not gonna do it through Unity. I have an idea of how to do this. So what if, here's my idea, we go into the files, right? Go into the drive, let's go into this one, yes. Assets, scripts, player scripts, and then playercontroller.cs. That should open, not in Visual Studios. Yes, I agree. HiThere Discord server is very yes. Hey, what's up, Aqua? Hello. Moochie. Should I turn back on my Spotify? I don't know if I should. Okay, is it actually gonna render this correctly now? Or is it gonna say, nope, not you today? Oh, it looks like it's working fine now. I think we're good. I think it's working. Okay, cool. It looks like we're working, but I don't want to use this editor. So that's a way that we can do it. Let's open it in Atom. Because Atom is just easier for me to look at instead of Unity. I mean, not Unity, C#. I mean, not C#. Freaking, fuck. You can tell I haven't streamed it a bit. I'm stumbling over my own words. Visual Studios. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh, yo, we can actually do this. Okay, add folders. Here. Tales of Oblivion. Let's add the assets folder. Hey, there we go. Now we have access to all our scripts. Can open the main menu script. That's the meta file though. I don't want the meta files. Hey, there we go. That's all the scripts I want.
So I don't know whether you're deciding to do some kind of pre-release alpha or like or just straight up release the game early and have people test it out.
So I'm doing like a bit of both.
Ammonia and bleach?
Or
You told
I mean,
people to mix ammonia.
release the game early and then
So if you
like, let people
okay.
see if it works or
So
not.
here's how this is gonna work. If you join the Discord, right, you're gonna have access to the game launcher. So, when the game's actually released, the people that originally joined the Discord, and I actually have a screenshot of the people that are in the Discord, I'll be giving them a discounted, like probably just a free version of the launcher, to be honest. Because right now it's the launcher that I have is not the final launcher. It's just a launcher as in place for the dev versions and like testing versions. And from that, I can't think and do two things at once. And from that, well, then what I'll do is that you guys will be testing, giving me feedback on like player movement and stuff like that. So probably after the stream, I'll post an update with the player movements added and stuff, so that you guys can test it,
And then
give me some
also
feedback.
maybe give like a role that'll say like alpha tester or something like that, or like beta tester.
Ooh, I should probably do that. I should probably give everyone in here the testing role. Oh, dude, Corey's my graphic designer though for the game, which is pretty cool. Use like music making software and make some basic background music for the Tales of Oblivion, like scary violin or piano. Oh, I can actually. Oh, you guys haven't seen what I've done. I haven't streamed this in a bit. Okay, hold on. Before we continue with the player controller, real quick, let me just do this. Scenes, sample scene. Let me go back to the sample scene. Just save everything in here. So this is what I have for scene-wise for the actual game. It's pretty pog in my opinion. I like it. On my other drive, I have my menus, but I'm just gonna redo the menu. Cause honestly, the menu didn't look the greatest, so I gotta redo it.
Oh yeah, can you share your screen in Discord? Cause the stream is like super delayed for me.
Oh, maybe. Click E. The sounds work. Oh yeah, that's I have more, but if you want Maki or Mochi, A like Tai Chi. Not a good example, but same thing.
Absolutely not.
So I need to add a sprite. We're just gonna grab a simple 2D cube. Question is, I haven't done Unity in a bit, and I'm blanking. Give me a second. Where's the art for the player? Presets. Nope, no, that's not it. That's main menu assets. I don't want to be looking in there. Some presets, assets. That's the mouse cursor. I did download the game, but it doesn't work. It does. Let me know what error you were getting, because you may have already had it. That's music. Menu art? No. Where the fuck did I put this folder? Because I swear I just saw it. And I'm trying to find it now, and I'm super confused. That's the player scripts. It's in presets? No. That's the music. Fonts. Scenes. Nope, that's all the stuff. Menu art. Where did it disappeared? That's creepy as heck. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to open up the old Unity project. If I can find it. Okay, so the reason why I said that is because I was going to be using non-copyright music. Just because it's my first game. So it said if you want, it's up to you. I'm just probably going to end up using non-copyright music. That's what I have so far. It's just free non-copyright use music that I can use. I think this is a great file. So it's up to you. I don't need music. I'm just looking at non-copyright, and pretty much the music I have at the moment is going to be music I'm using. We'll see, though. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Because I currently don't need it, but it is up to you. Did I? I'm trying to remember. Was it you that was doing it? I was talking to someone. Was it Miffy? No, Miffy was art. Sadred? No. Who's this guy? Trying to find. Hi Dragon Slayer. It's going alright. It is going alright. I'm waiting for the second Unity project to load so I can drag it over to my second monitor. So I can grab some assets from it that I use. Yeah, it's completely fine. I can't English.
Noted yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, it's completely fine. I just was wondering since at the time I was really great at ambience. Yeah, it's up to you if you want. I may use it. I may not. I'll give you credit for the music, but I'm starting over my own words. It is up to you. Okay, let me drag over some assets real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna drag over not scripts, but I'm gonna look at the scene to see how I had my camera set up in that scene, because I do want to prioritize movement. Movement of the from when I was talking to someone. They told me we were talking and I want to more concentrate on player movement than anything else. Main camera. How is the main camera set up for this? Why'd I make these all assets? That was a dumb move on my part. So it looks like it's grabbing from the cam look. Which cam look is underneath the character. Okay. I kind of see how I set this up. It's really not good. Oh, nice, dude. Alright. We're just gonna use a cube for our player at the moment. 2D object. Sprite. Yep. Do we have a cube for our sprite? We can use background for our sprite, right? Maybe? I don't know. It's a great question. Not input field. I think the background is probably gonna look the greatest. And oh wow, that's small as heck. Let's go 10. Nope, that's so too small. 50? Maybe. 50 by 50. Is that big enough? Looks like it. And drag our main camera onto this guy. That's a problem. Let me look at what I'm doing for background wise or rendering wise for the camera here. So I have an orthographic 6.52, 0.3, 10,000, that's fine. Post-processing, sure. Okay. New type base. Alright, cool. Now we just need to assign a different sprite to the character. Or no, different sprite material. Alright, now that should be able to be seen. No. Oh, rendering. Order and layer. No, that shouldn't matter, right? Because oh no, it depends on where the camera's at. I remember having this issue. Hold on. Yeah, that's why. So if we zero out the camera, right, unpair the camera, move the sprite to like right here, go pair this back. Yeah, there we go. I don't think that's gonna work, but we'll see. That's a bit scuffed though. Let's change the size of this. Alright, let's go to scripts. Drag on our player controller. Ground checkpoint, wall check. So I'm not gonna worry about any of the wall checks because I'm gonna, instead of doing the wall, I'm thinking about having wall climbing, but implementing the bash mechanic from Ori into the wall climbing just for like a bit more fun of like traversal of terrain. I think that would I think that would be kind of cool to do. So that should be interesting. Ground layer. Okay, so I need to do a lot of this at the moment. Okay. Fun. Just rename this to player. Layer, add layer. We're gonna add ground layer. This cube is gonna be on the ground layer. How much of the game is completed? Paper-wise, a good majority. Actual development-wise, 2%. That's not a lot of the game is done, but a decent majority of paper-wise is done, and concept designs are kind of done. But I can't show concept designs yet, sadly, because it's all right now. Corey is kind of drawing some basic concept ideas that we came up with for the player. Ground layer. This is ground. We need a ground checkpoint. So create empty. Ground check. Scene. Snap back to 2D. Oh, the rails ran out. Do. Ignore me. I'm just. Do you guys want me to play some music? Or no? Bruh, let's not repeat it 50 more times. Oh, Ducky Man left. Oh, sad. Let me just play some music so it's not like full of dead air when I'm not speaking. Yeah. Alright, so that's the ground check. Back to player. Check radius. What did I have that set to? I think I said it's like 0.5 or something like that. Something similar. Character. I have a check radius of 1. Ew, okay. So this has a check radius of 1. Jump values, that's also set to 1. Not worried about the... should we add all the wall slides and stuff like that? I mean, it shouldn't affect it, right? We should still be able to play even if we don't have that. And then we do need a rigid body. I do remember that. We need a box glider and rigid body. Alright, so... box glider 2D. And we also need a rigid body as well, 2D. We don't need a health at the moment. Box glider. Just need to set the box glider to the player. Actually, that's fine. I don't think that needs editing. And then rigid body, how do we have that set up? Discrete, start on wake, none. Cool. Awesome. And then do we need a rigid body? I'm assuming we would need a rigid body on the floor. Or box glider. Yeah, that would be correct. Oh, no. Oh, and we have a box glider on it. Okay, so let's see if the script works. It should work. Oh. Okay. That doesn't work. Let's try box glider 2D. What about now? Okay, input's not working. Or is it working? Hold on. It is grounded. Oh, is it not letting me? Oh, that's why. That's annoying. Very, very annoying. I don't know about that one. Silksong, I have Silksong on my wish list. I really want to play that game. Okay, that's a bit annoying. We actually gotta put those in? Mother. Pearl. Okay, so ground check, wall checkpoint. Okay, empty. Just gonna call it. Wall check. And we're just gonna move it like there. Looks fine. Grab this, drag this here, layer, add layer, wall check, go back to player, wall check. I'm gonna have to look at this code in a bit too. I want to see what I'm doing for it as well. Let's not maximize on play either. All right. I think Silksong will be released. But I want to know why this is not working. Okay, hold on. That's all fine. That's all fine. That's for flipping. Is it something with my cube, potentially? I don't think so. Nope, 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 nope. Control Z. What's on my cube here? Okay. So it's set to the ground layer. Ah, sprite. Alright. Let's try the sprite render because that's what I'm using in the other one. So hold on. 2D object sprite. Let's go to sprite render. Box 2D. Put this to the ground layer. Good image here. Let's use a background sprite. And we can then also use this as well. Let's go by 20. Yeah, that looks good. Can zero it out here and here. I want to go down to like there. Alright, that should work now. Because they're on the same layer. So I'm assuming if the player is on the same layer as that. Or not. Okay. Oh, hierarchy order. I hate hierarchy order. Motherfucker. Alright, let's try it now. Why am I getting that weird glitch effect, though? I don't understand that. Player tag. Why is it not working though whenever I apply input? That's my main question. What are my values? Let's try 15. 3. 0.5, 0.5. Jump force, let's do 10. Ground check. Grounded, yeah, wall 2. That should be fine. Nope, that needs to be a 4. Alright, that should be good. Hopefully I don't pass through the freaking object again. That would be quite annoying. Probably gonna pass through the object, yeah. Alright, so why are we not... Oh, this is frustrating. Okay. Do we say fuck it and just restart completely from scratch? Because... yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yep, screw it. We're gonna start completely from scratch. Alright, let's get a camera. Light. He's like, oh. Yeah, we're just gonna start completely from scratch now. So, we're not gonna use my old code either. We may use bits and pieces of it, so rename this folder to old. Actually, let me do that from, oh, nope. This one, yep. Alright. Player scripts, rename. We're gonna name it to old. Bruh. Because I can't have another folder named player scripts. Let me try renaming it from here. Bruh, that's messed up. I can't rename it. Yo, what's up? I might need some help making Streamlabs not too low. Tom, it's honestly, I just switched to OBS. It's much better and less laggier. Okay. I'm gonna make a new scripts folder. Create folder. Let's go with... what should we name the character? I was thinking about, oh. I actually don't have a name for him. What should we name the character, guys? I have no clue what we should name the character. I'm just gonna name him... Player Man. Not a good name for the... Not a good name for it, but it's fine. Yes.
I'm leaving. I'll be back at 9:40.
Alright, love you.
Love you.
See you in a bit. Player controller. Alrighty, let's open this bad boy up. Name it Todd. Alright, bet. That should update the scripts here. Alrighty. What are you using right now? Great question. That's the meta. I do not want the meta. I want this script here. Alright, cool. Here we go. So, I am going to pull up a video just because I don't want to get it wrong again, because it's very frustrating. Brackies. I just want to be able to make the floor correctly, because that's what's bothering me the most. Is that because I'll code, I just want to get the floor working correctly. That's all I want to do. Actually, before we do that, we should probably actually work on getting actual inputs to work. So, yeah, this is where I like this, because we can do shit like this. Alrighty. So we're gonna look at the movement. We have our move speed, right? So we have the move speed. Alright, let me not copy it, but let's modify it again. So let's make it header. We're not gonna name it player controller, but we are going to name it IBL, yes? Yes. Okay. So movement variables. Alright, so first one, have float Speed. I felt like a good speed for the last one was 15, so we're gonna stick with that. All right, and then. All right, so we are gonna copy, because I do like the way I was doing the friction, where it like gradually increased, but I think I do want to order this a bit differently. So this one slash. I can't spell. It's for the players. So if players starting stop top speed. Top speed is probably top speed. All right, and then two, 3, 2, 4. Yeah, just 4. All right. Cool. So I'm gonna make the acceleration first. Accelerate. Yeah, that's fine. 0.5f. Can I seriously not spell? Am I spelling that wrong? No, I'm not spelling that wrong. It's because it's not closed. I'm not stupid. Okay. I was like, why is this not working properly? And I'm like, maybe because it's not spelled right. Tab. No, it's spelled right. So we need our XL, the deceleration rate, deceleration, which we're also going to set to the same as the acceleration. Even though I do think that I kind of want the deceleration to be a bit quicker. So I may change that to the 0.3. We'll test around with it, but I think 0.3 is probably a good starting point for right now. And then the amount of friction that is applied. Friction amount, not to 0, but 0, 2. We'll use the same number as before, and then probably the same number for the velocity of as well. I'm just gonna name that about power. All right, cool. What will the game cost? That's a great question. I don't know. I don't know if I want the game to be for free or if I want it to be where people pay for it. I have no clue. It's a very good question. I have honestly no clue. Okay, so before looking at this, I do know that we do need a start. Off of this start, we do need to do RB is equal to nope, is equal to a get component rigid body, and then we need to declare RB up here. I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly. Yeah. We'll do it up here. Actually, no, that's in the movement section, and I do not want to do that. So I'm gonna make another header and call it other variables. Header position variables. That's not the word that we're gonna be using. Control Z that actually. Instead of position variables, we'll name it. I don't want to name it random variables because I'm just gonna name it other variables. That's a good short term vary. So player RB. We'll spell it out. Why not? Goddamn ads. Okay, screw Spotify. We're gonna go to YouTube Music. Because we don't have ads on YouTube Music. And that is very nice. Nope, not subscriptions. There we go. No. There we go, that's better. Okay, so if I ever get my hands on this game, I will just find every bug possible to exploit them. I don't know about that one. We'll see. So why did I do that? That's for no extractional input. All right, there we go. Cool. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Where's our friction settings? Ah, there we go. Wait, but why do we do it there? That doesn't make sense to call it, have two separate variables. Because this is our friction that we're doing. Oh, okay, I see. I see. But I'm not going to do it like that because that does not seem good. I'm going to put it all in user input for now, and then we'll separate it later. Just for easier, just of ease of viewing everything. Okay. Let me think. I don't want to do this. Okay. If input is not equal to 0, then we're going to do we declare it as moving variable? I don't think we did. No, we never declared is moving variables. Nope, is moving is just an empty variable. We need is moving and facing right, which is the one for that we are going to be using for flipping. I remember. Or, not remember. I see, but I also do remember. There should be an upgrade in the game that makes you speed 69. No, that is way too quick. Way too quick. If you guys want to see a live update, make sure to go join the Discord down below. I'm currently in the Lounge VC streaming, So if you guys want to come see a live update of it, feel free to join. Alright, so let's get back with this. Because I'm pretty sure we want to do else if x directional input is then equal to 0. Then we're going to set is moving to false. Or no. Just an else statement. Alright. Alright, let me make sure that didn't error anything out. It shouldn't error out. Oh, it's not liking me. Okay. I see why it's not liking me. Because of the script here. Alright, I know what we got to do. Just gonna rename it like that. That'll work. And we gotta go up to here. There we go, all fixed. Cool, and that's updated. Awesome. So now we should not have any errors when that's the wrong Unity. When we load. Error attributed is not valid on this declaration type. It's only a valid field. Can I clear it? Can't. Okay. That's odd, my friend. So you're saying I can only use my headers like this? I mean, I don't mind that. It's not bad. Easy fix. Bit irritating though. Also, I guess I forgot to grab the rigid body of the player. Alright, so now that's working fine. Everything should be fine now. We should have no errors. Does not exist in current context. X direction input. What? That actually... You gotta be kidding me. I didn't forget to put it in, right? I did forget to put it in. I'm stupid, chat. Alright, I'm just gonna copy it, because I don't feel like recopying. Or repasting. I'm just gonna paste it in here. Wrong one. Let it load. No. X input is there. I know it is there. I just put it in. How are you gonna... Did I not save it? Oh, X directional input. No, it's X direct input. There we go. No, it's fixed. Okay, cool. We need to apply force to the character as well, which is then when this script comes in over here. Let me just make sure we're all good on errors. We shouldn't have any errors now. Should be fine. Cool, we're good. Alrighty, so now after this, slash. Alright, so this is, I guess, where we start making things. Or not things, start actually making the script run. FOR. I'm just gonna copy this because I don't feel like doing all that math again. So just gonna copy all of this. Okay, so just make sure everything's still tabbed correctly. This void start isn't tabbed correctly though. Let me see if it should work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Let's see. Oh, nope, okay. Yikes. Alright, maybe we should open this in Visual Studios just for their file, for their formatting. Because I don't have auto format in here. Go to 2019. Because they do have auto formatting in Visual Studios, which is nice, which I don't have in Atom, which kind of sucks. And it's not fun. I wish they, actually, did they have that? They may have that. I'm going to have to look that up after stream. It's not showing anything wrong in this code. Let me just close this. Oh, I see. Okay. I need to tab all this by 1. No, no, no. Hold on, I forgot how to auto-line shit in Visual Studios. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Options, text editor, then go to tab, section. You want to format, file indenting. Alright, so it says file, options. Options, text editor. It's not showing anything wrong with the code. Alright, screw it. I'm just gonna retype all of it. Oh, that's a bit frustrating. But it's fine. For correct file formation, I guess it's fine. I'm not too worried about it. Let me kind of scroll out of it a bit. It's kind of big. Rid of this window. Shrink that down. I really want to get kind of like somewhat of player movement done this today. This doesn't look right. Okay, I'm just gonna continue. I'm just gonna copy these because I don't want to retype them. Okay. What were the other variables? Oh. We need the player input as well. So how do we do it here? Oh, we did it through a float. We're gonna stick with the X direct input though. Stick with that. And then we need the bools. Okay. And again, we're just gonna copy the bools. Okay, why is the auto prediction not working correctly? Sometimes I hate Visual Studios because it's not predicting. Like if I go what the fuck? That's weird. I don't I'm dying right now. I don't know why my code is not working. Or not my code, my editor. It's fine. Privates. Hey, hey mate, making my own game. Right now, nice, dude, nice. What kind of game is this? Like a 2D platformer, 3D platformer? What kind of game is it? I'm curious. What is it about? Also, welcome to the stream. It's just kind of like a chill stream. I'm just working on my game as well. I need to grab the roots body. Okay, I need to figure out this. Hopefully, dude. It's been a bit of a pain right now. None of my my Visual Studios doesn't want to work, and then in my Atom IDE, I don't have tabbing indexed correctly, so it errors out everything. It's really frustrating to try and deal with. But I need to figure out why tabbing isn't. Oh, let me also open up Trello as well, so I can do this, sort stuff out. So right now, I'm making a player controller. That is what I'm doing right now. I am copying kind of from my old code that I had for it, but RB. It's a pain. VR is not fun. I've tried doing VR in the past. It's really hard. Props to you though. I could not be able to do that to save my life at all. Alright, this is where stuff stops not fun. I can't English. Private void update. Isn't it like control dot enter or something? Or like control shift dot. Nope. What kind of VR game are you making though? I thought it was like control dot. Was it control shift enter? No. What was the command? There was like a shortcut command that you could do that would auto-generate the script, and I don't remember what it was. Actually kind of bothering me right now. No, it's not. No, I don't want X. That's the variable I'm trying to call. Alright, let me make sure it didn't error out yet. Alright, cool. No errors. That's very nice. Very, very nice. Here comes the pain. Okay, so... I'm not gonna put all of the information I put here. I'm just, for now, I may put it in another one, but I'm just gonna copy it and kind of modify it. Nope. Do I not have a moves to be variable, or did I call it speed? I called it speed. That's what it was. C I to I believe, right? Yeah. So X. Oh, okay. I see why I did that. All right, that makes sense. I was a bit confused as to why I put it in parentheses, but then I see. Yeah, I understand that now. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. We need a value for the ABS, which would then be the target speed like we have there. Target speed, 0, 1, F. Hello, Elcado, how are you doing? Times the acceleration, and also the deceleration, right? Pretty sure that's it. Yeah. No, not F. I don't know why I put F. That's why, because I saw F there. Hello, Elcado, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Math F dot ABS. Yeah, cool. Is it math F again? Yeah. Cool. F dot. Okay. Alright, so this should be fine, I hope. Pretty much all this is doing is this just applying a slow gradient to the speed up and speed down. So as it's running, it's providing little like gradual gradual speed increase as you are moving forward. So it's not like a robot, and then as you unclick it, it provides a little bit of a drag, which is why we have our modules set to for the acceleration of 0.5, and I'm actually set the deceleration to 0.3. Hopefully it's a bit smoother and a bit nicer, but that should be all for just basic movement right now. Let's see if we get any errors. We shouldn't get any errors though. Yes, we do. How does what? For math. No, math f is an actual function. This is frustrating because I know math is an actual function. And a rigid body 2D collider does actually also provide that as well. Yeah, I can remember because it's the same script I used over in the original project, which is over here. This is the original project, unless I'm not using what I think I'm using, and I'm using... No, I am using a rigid body 2D. Here. Edit, preference. Yeah, because I'm using the same script over here, and it's working fine. The minute I go to do something like this, it decides to say screw you and not work. Okay, hold on. I hate coding so much. Alright. This makes it getting a bit frustrating. I think I'm going to end the stream here, work on it a bit, because this is going to take me a bit to try and debug and fix my Unity editor here. So I think I'm going to try and, I'm going to end the stream, and I think I'm going to try and debug this off stream. And then as soon as I make an update, I will post an announcement in the Discord for the updates. I'll say in the Discord VC though, probably. We'll see. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys had a good time. I'll